allow us to present the delectable steamed chicken and the exquisite chicken salad. We assure you that you will savor the flavor and appreciate the advantages of this dish. We will require the following ingredients: 3 green onions, 1 thinly sliced onion that has been soaked in ice water, 8 kaffir lime leaves, 1 lime, 1/4 of a cabbage, 4 cloves of garlic, and 2 ginger roots. Additionally, we will require turmeric powder, which imparts substantial health benefits, oil, and chicken thighs, an excellent source of vitamin B12. Mix oil with turmeric powder. Arrange the chicken thighs atop a bed of ginger, lime leaves, and thinly sliced onions in a steaming basket. Proceed to steam the arrangement for approximately 30 minutes. After this initial steaming, apply the oil and turmeric mixture onto the chicken. Continue steaming for an additional 5 minutes. Proceed to thoroughly wash and rinse the rice. Until the water runs clear, then drain the rice and set it aside. Subsequently, transfer the washed rice to a dedicated rice cooker and pour the aromatic chicken broth obtained from the steaming process over it. Lastly, incorporate the remaining oil and turmeric mixture and proceed to cook the rice accordingly. To create the dressing for the chicken salad, finely mince a piece of ginger, garlic, and sugar. Then, combine these ingredients with the juice of 1 lime, along with 6 tablespoons of sugar. And 3 tablespoons of fish sauce into the mixture. Include the minced chili and blend the mixture thoroughly. While the chicken is still hot, shred it and toss it with the green onions. Please exercise caution, as it may be hot to the touch. Add the shredded cabbage, onion, and kaffir lime leaves, and gently toss them to combine. Finally, incorporate the chicken salad dressing. And sprinkle some fried shallots on top. That's how we create this delicious and enticing chicken salad. Serve 1 portion of rice on a plate next to the chicken salad, tomatoes, and sliced cucumbers. Drizzle a little of the sauce over it, then enjoy. Please let us know how you prepare and enjoy this dish. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious dishes coming up.